You got barbecue pizza, but you haven't had a pizza like this before. I took the dough, rolled it out. I used a little bit of flour so it doesn't really stick. And I'm just rolling out the barbecue sauce. I'm gonna go with this nice apple smoked pulled pork, roasted red pepper, roasted red onions. I got some pineapples, got some nice sharp cheddar cheese. This is that Trapp pie right here. I have the smoker set at 285. That's enough to cook a pizza. Take your pizza and put it on the pizza peel. Just put a little flour underneath it. Let's check this pizza. I want to kind of slightly rotate it. Make sure it's getting done evenly. Look at this pie. Nice and toasty, crispy on the outside. Nice and gooey on the inside. Just the way I like it, baby. This is good stuff. This is where it's at. Green Mountain Grills. They do it every time, baby.